Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to the story of Raja. I hope all of you had your breakfast and ready to attend the class. Okay, good. What is Raja's situation now? Let's recall the main points. First one, Raja is hiding in the loft of the cowshed. Then second, grandfather and grandmother worried about Raja. Then third one, grandfather told his servants to go out and search for Raja. Okay, is it clear? Do you wish to know the latter part of the story? Yes. Now we are going to discuss the climax of the story. Okay.
Some of them went out to search for me. More and more people came, and soon there was a big crowd. By now, grandmother had lost all hope of seeing me again. She started telling the people what a good boy I was. The search parties returned without finding me. Grandmother started weeping loudly. The woman in the crowd also wept. The servants of the house joined in the wailing. They all acted as if I were dead. I felt very sorry for grandmother. I wanted to come out. Now, what do you understand from this paragraph? Many people gathered in their house, and soon the house became crowded. Earlier, we told that grandfather had sent out his servants to search for Raja. But after a while, they came back. They were very disappointed because they could not find Raja. Hearing this news, grandmother lost her hope and started weeping loudly. Weeping means crying. She told others that Raja was a good boy. The servants of the house and the woman in the crowd also joined the wailing, joined the loud cry, as if Raja was dead. അവിടെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നവരെല്ലാം ഉറക്കെ കരയാനായി തുടങ്ങി. ഏതുപോലെയാണ് അവർ കരഞ്ഞിരുന്നത്? ആസ് ഇഫ് രാജ വാസ് ഡെഡ്. അല്ലേ, രാജ മരിച്ചതുപോലെയാണ് അവർ കരഞ്ഞിരുന്നത്. പക്ഷെ യഥാർത്ഥത്തിൽ രാജ മരിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടോ? ഉണ്ടോ? നോ. ഹി സോ all these from the cowshed. Okay. This time, Raja felt sorry for his grandmother and he wanted to come out. But he didn't. Grandfather was a man of strong will. But I knew that he too felt very sad. He did not, however, lose hope. He stood up, turned in the direction of our family temple, and prayed. Help me, God, he said. Give me my child. I want him now. I cannot wait any longer. He then stood silent in prayer. We read that grandfather was a strong man and he did not lose hope like others. Others lost their hope. But here, grandfather was very sad but did not lose his hope. What did he do? What did he do? Grandfather stood up and turned in the direction of the family temple and prayed silently. Do you know what grandfather prayed for? Yes, he prayed to God, give back his child, and he cannot wait any longer. നമുക്ക് എന്തെങ്കിലും ബുദ്ധിമുട്ട് വന്നാൽ നമ്മൾ എന്താ ചെയ്യുക? ദൈവത്തിനോട് പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കും അല്ലേ? അതേപോലെ ഇവിടെ രാജയുടെ ഗ്രാൻഡ് ഫാദർ രാജയെ കണ്ടെത്താനായിട്ട് പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുകയാണ്. ഓക്കെ, ഈസ് ഇറ്റ് ക്ലിയർ? അറ്റ് ദാറ്റ് മൊമെന്റ് അങ്കിൾ റിട്ടേൺഡ്. ഹി ലേൺഡ് വാട്ട് വാസ് ഹാപ്പനിങ് അറ്റ് ഹോം. He looked around and guessed where I was. He came to the cowshed and asked me to come down. I came down. Uncle took me into the house. Grandfather had just finished his prayer and turned. As he opened his eyes, he saw me standing before him. He took me up in his arms in joy, hugged me, and said, God heard my prayers and has given you back to us. Here, in this paragraph, we can see that Uncle came back to his home. He was shocked to see a large crowd in front of his house. He went and asked them. He learned what was going on. He looked around and understood where Raja was hiding. He went straight to the cowshed and asked Raja to come down. Without waiting a second, Raja came down. And then Uncle took Raja to their home. At that time, Grandfather had just finished his prayer and turned. When Grandfather opened his eyes, he could not believe his eyes. Why? Because he saw Raja standing in front of him. Grandfather was very happy that God has heard his prayer. ഇവിടെ രാജയെ കണ്ടെത്താൻ കഴിയാതെ എല്ലാവരും ഒത്തുകൂടിയിരിക്കുന്ന സമയത്താണ് ആര് വീട്ടിലേക്ക് വരുന്നത്? അങ്കിള് അല്ലേ? അദ്ദേഹം കാര്യങ്ങളെല്ലാം ചോദിച്ചു മനസ്സിലാക്കി. അതിനുശേഷം ചുറ്റും നോക്കി, നേരെ കൗഷഡിൻ്റെ അരികിലേക്ക് പോയി രാജയോട് അവിടെ നിന്നും താഴെ ഇറങ്ങാനായിട്ട് ആവശ്യപ്പെട്ടു. രാജ മടിയൊന്നും കൂടാതെ തന്നെ താഴേക്ക് ഇറങ്ങി വന്നു. ഗ്രാൻഡ് ഫാദർ പ്രാർത്ഥന കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? കണ്ണ് തുറന്നു നോക്കിയപ്പോൾ അദ്ദേഹം ആരെയാ കണ്ടത്? രാജയെ കണ്ടു. പിന്നെ എന്താ ഗ്രാൻഡ് ഫാദർ ചെയ്തത്? വളരെയധികം സന്തോഷത്തോടെ അവനെ ചേർത്തു പിടിച്ചു. അതിനുശേഷം രാജയെ തിരിച്ചു തന്നതിന് ദൈവത്തിനോട് നന്ദി പറഞ്ഞു. ഓക്കെ സ്റ്റുഡൻസ്, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലായല്ലോ? നൗ ലെറ്റ് us discuss the questions. Where might the people have searched for Raja? Why couldn't they find him? ജനങ്ങൾ രാജയെ എവിടെയൊക്കെയാണ് അന്വേഷിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവുക? ഇനി രണ്ടാമതുള്ള ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനും കൂടിയുണ്ട്. എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് അവർക്ക് അവനെ കണ്ടെത്താനായിട്ട് കഴിയാതിരുന്നത്? ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. I wanted to come out. What prevented Raja from coming out? രാജ പുറത്തു വരാനായിട്ട് ആഗ്രഹിച്ചു, പക്ഷേ എന്താണ് അവനെ തടഞ്ഞത്? എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് അവൻ പുറത്തേക്ക് വരാതിരുന്നത്? Then next one, What would Raja say to his grandfather when he returned home? വീട്ടിലേക്ക് തിരിച്ചെത്തിയ രാജ ഗ്രാൻഡ്ഫാദറിനോട് എന്താവും പറയുക? ഓക്കെ, write the answers in your notebook, read the lesson, then you can find out the answer.
Now our story is over. Read the textbook 3 or 4 times. Understand the activities. Study the unfamiliar words in the story. Okay children, we will meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.